Have you ever wondered why some people have healthier hair than others? The aloe vera plant might just be the answer you've been looking for. Today, we are going to focus on the aloe vera plant and what it can potentially do to our hair. Did you know that aloe vera is a wonder plant that grows in tropical and subtropical areas of the world? This plant has been used for centuries among many different cultures, and it is still used today worldwide. This doesn't come as a surprise, since aloe vera has many beneficial effects on the human body. So all you need to do now is to stick around to the end of the video to find out why. And if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on our next video.
We all know how irritating dandruff can be. Honestly, no one likes having an itchy scalp and freaking skin falling down from their hair onto their favorite black shirt. If you don't want to spend money on expensive shampoos and treatments, aloe vera may be a very effective, cheap, natural way for you to get rid of dandruff. Did you know that aloe vera is packed with minerals and vitamins that will keep your hair and scalp healthy and shiny? It also has anti-inflammatory properties, so it's often used to treat skin irritation, wounds, as well as burns. This stony looking plant has a very soothing and moisturizing effect, which is very critical to prevent hair breakage. You can both use aloe vera gel from the shops or extract the gel from your own aloe vera plant for your dandruff treatment. All you need to do is simply apply the gel thoroughly onto your scalp all the way to the tip of your hair and leave it for 30 minutes. Then you need to shampoo and rinse it out. Repeat the method 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Aloe vera contains many vitamins including vitamin A, B12, C, E, and folic acid. These vitamins are so important for hair growth, strength, as well as a shiny appearance. Absolutely no one likes to see their hair thinning or fall out. It is a very discomforting feeling, and if it hasn't happened to you yet, you might be scared of it. But don't worry, here is the tip for you. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are 2 important components to help reduce hair loss. When you apply aloe vera to your scalp and dry hair, you might see breakages and losses of hair slow down. Some studies also suggest that the alunin present in the aloe vera plant facilitates hair growth. You also might be surprised to hear that aloe vera works well to heal sunburned hair. Oily and greasy hair is really frustrating to live with. Many promising products can actually cause more harm than good. Unlike many chemical products, aloe vera cannot hurt your hair strands when applied. The wonder plant is purely organic, gentle, moisturizing, and healthy for your hair. Besides making your hair less oily, aloe vera also makes your hair smoother, shinier, and also softer when applying. You don't have to spend a fortune on hair salons and hair products to give your hair the treatment it deserves. Simply use the gel from the plant alone, or mix it with coconut water, olive oil, honey, or any other essential oils to make a hair mask. Massage the mixture to your scalp and hair, then cover with a shower cap for about 1 hour before washing it out with shampoo. We can now all agree that aloe vera is a very amazing plant. With all of its nutrients and vitamins, aloe vera really might help you with some of your issues. No need to spend a fortune to see if aloe vera is the right treatment for your hair. It might not work for everyone, but it doesn't hurt to try. Reaching this far, I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Please remember to press the like button and also subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more about natural tips for a healthier life.